Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Temu customer support. To get started, open any web browser and search for Temu customer service, or simply open the Temu app and tap on the Contact Us option. Both methods will take you directly to the customer support page. Once you're there, log in to your Temu account if you have one, as signing in helps the support team access your account details and assist you more efficiently. After logging in, you'll see multiple support options related to different issues. Choose the option that best matches your problem. The quickest and easiest way to get help is by using the live chat feature, where you can directly communicate with a customer support representative. Just open the chat, type in your issue, and wait for a response. The representative will guide you step by step until your issue is resolved. And that's how you can contact Temu customer support easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.